Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka. I'm here today with a quick share. I'm doing an unboxing of a SCENTSY warmer I received. It's a new warmer. If you see, I've done a few of them here. I will leave a link to that here. So I'm going to cut it out, take it out of this box, and I'll be right back. Okay, so if you don't know, I do have a SCENTSY gal I order from. She's a great friend of mine from Hawaii, and she ships it from Hawaii or wherever it ships from, and her name is Ui. I will leave the link to her SCENTSY website in my description box below so you guys can go check her out, especially because if you guys want to get in on some of these Disney collabs they are doing with SCENTSY. But okay, so if you oh, look what it says. That's a giveaway right there, huh? Ohana means family. Aloha. Okay, check it, check it. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, he's too cute. Look, Stitchy. So this is the top to cover it. Oh. And then this is the warmer. So it's a solid piece, the warmer. Ooh, how cute! How cute, how cute! Thank you, Ui. Love it. Love it, love it. Thank you for keeping me in the loop, girl. And look how cute. She included a thank you gift. Mahalo nui loa. That means thank you very much. For your purchase and patience with this order, your support in my business means the absolute world. How cute, girl. Look. Got this, oh, this is for the back of the phone. And then a sticker. Thank you, Ui. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so her link is in the description box below, ladies. Go check her out. Get yourself some SCENTSY on with their collab with Disney. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these. So cute. See here. And until my next video, shakas.